Come outside and look at the sun. The surface is safe and everything is beautiful.
We interrupt our regular programming. This is a global emergency. Important details will follow. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air to provide news and information to the public and assigned areas. This is WBAL. We will continue to serve the Baltimore area. If you are not in this local area, tune now to stations to provide news and information for your local area. This is the emergency alert system serving the Baltimore area. Do not use the telephone. The telephone line should be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. A global state of emergency has been declared due to an ongoing global event. At 7:39 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, there has been reports of a mysterious anomaly in the sun, and is affecting areas where the sun has risen. This anomaly in the sun has boiled the flesh of any living creature, and has turned them into ghoul-like zombies, and they are attacking anyone on sight. These creatures have the following characteristics: reduced skin combination, increased gelatinization on the entire body, and an extreme heightened desire to inflict violence upon anyone in their sight. All attempts to contain these ghoul-like zombies sequester into one area have failed miserably, and resulted in extensive loss of life. These creatures has been reported in areas where the sun has risen. This includes the entire eastern United States. It's likely that this event will spread across the entire world within the next 7 hours. All residents of the United States are advised to follow these instructions. From the light. Stay away from these creatures. Stay away from